Afternoon. Video message for Sam. Hi Sam. Thanks for buying my beautiful vintage Pioneer P20. So I've just taken off the bar and the chain, and I'll run it one last time before I drain the fluids and put her in the box for you. Kill switch, throttle lock, bit of choke. They're unusual if you've never used a Pioneer Easy Arc before, because when you pull it over, you think there's not much compression, but of course as you pull it, the engine's decompressing on every pull. Kill switch. Okay, many thanks for buying, sir, and I hope it's a nice start of a vintage collection for you, and I hope you get as much pleasure from her as I have. Bye for now.